I'm sorry. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Okay, right where I'm standing, too.
Oh, my fault, bro. But come on, let's continue, bro. Excuse me.
Like,
Excuse me, chat.
I don't think you understand how big and nasty you are, bro.
I know.
Like, right, low, my fuck, like, bro. Like, why does he keep doing this?
Are we gonna switch roles or what? No, switch roles. Fuck that.
Like, he like, bro, he really just walking in. Ass out, smelling like shit.
No. I don't smell like shit, first of all.
Like, bro, what the
My
fuck
ass
is
is
you
not
doing,
out.
bro?
My ass is not out. All
Like,
right?
what is he doing, bro?
Dude,